Students of academics and competitive exams of English, today in this lecture 3 English version lecture, students, our topic is translation based on complex sentence, especially on adverb clause. Students, you have gone through different groups of conjunctions related to adverb clause in our previous lectures. Now we are going to study in point number 3 adverb clause of purpose. Students, there are a few conjunctions and group of conjunctions in this group adverb clause of purpose. They are so that, slash that, in order that, and lest. So that, in order that are in the same group. Let's take it. These conjunctions. वह यहाँ पढ़ता है ताकि अच्छे अंक प्राप्त कर सके. He studies here. You can write so that, or in order that, any one of these three. And after this you can write he may secure good marks. May is in the combination of so that, and secure is the first form, and I try to mention green color to indicate a verb. And may and so that are written in red color because they are interrelated. They are in the combination of the conjunction. So our finally translation is he studies here so that he may secure good marks. And you can opt any one of three conjunctions, so that, or in order that. Other than this, सब ज़रूरी सामान खरीद लो, कहीं ऐसा न हो कि कर्फ्यू लग जाए, कहीं ऐसा न हो. Refers to lest, and with lest we use should. In this way our translation is purchase essential goods lest the curfew should be enforced. Students, we don't write not with should. It is a main point of this rule. Next, adverb clause of result. So plus adjective space that, and such plus a or a noun space that. वह इतना शोर था कि मैं पढ़ा नहीं सका. It was so noisy that I could not teach. It was so noisy. Students, after so you have an adjective that I could not teach. Students, please you don't get confused with this so that and with this so that. This so that is used one after another, so is used before that without any gap, but here so plus adjective and that, this is the difference, so don't get confused. It was so noisy. Before between so and that you have to put any adjective here, and that you write next clause I could not teach. In this way our sentence is it was so noisy that I could not teach. Students, when you use such, after such you have to use a noun that I mentioned in green color. He is such a liar that nobody will believe him. He is such a liar that is written after this noun. Then you use such with a noun and so with adjective. This is the main point of this rule. Adverb clause of reason. In adverb clause of reason you are familiar to, because वह कर्महीन है इसलिए उसे सफलता नहीं मिली. He didn't get success because he is an idle. He is a shirker. Students, sometimes you write because in the beginning of the sentence and you write like this, because he is an idle, he didn't get success. Student, it's not proper. In grammar it is not considered well if you write because in the beginning. If you want to write because in the beginning, you will have to do something different, that is as since that you can replace because with these three. And as, since and that are written in the beginning, you can opt any one of these three. He is a slacker or shirker, the same thing, comma, he didn't get success, he didn't get successful, or he didn't get succeeded. Anything you can write. In short, as, since and that are written in the beginning of the sentence, it means the part of your result. Now you have the sentence as, since that he is a slacker, he didn't get successful. You write result in the last of the sentence and reason in the beginning. I mean to say, if you write as, since that, then you write the reason in the beginning. If you write because, you write result in the beginning. Now point number 6, adverb clause of contrast. Contrast means when you do something positive, result happens in negative. But if you do something negative but result is positive, that is called contrast. Let's see in this Hindi sentence. हालांकि यद्यपि उसने बहुत मेहनत करी परंतु सफलता नहीं मिली उसे. Now this sentence is very unusual because I wrote उसे in the last of the sentence. It doesn't matter in translation of English. हालांकि means although, it is a contrast. Although he worked very hard, comma, yet. I wrote comma in red color, yet in red color. With yet we use comma. And this is the combination although and yet. Students, in place of although you can also write though. And if you write though, it's up to you whether you write yet or not. Both are right. Although he worked hard, yet he didn't get successful. After this, I have however hard he may try. चाहे वह कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले उसे हरा नहीं सकता. However hard he may try, he can't defeat her. Now I wrote may in green color because it is related to however. However hard he may try, he can't defeat her. If we use however without may, it is in a coordinate clause compound sentence and we'll discuss it later. Now next point is even if. Even if also shows contrast. चाहे वह कुछ भी ना करे, कोई भी उसे कुछ नहीं कहेगा. Nobody will say anything to him. Even if is written in red color because it's a combination of conjunction. He does nothing. Nobody will say anything to him even if he does nothing. You can also write it even if he does nothing, comma, nobody will say anything to him. A student, that's this is all related to this version lecture 3. Now to watch and observe and understand next groups of conjunctions related to adverb clause, please keep on watching ORSE classes of English language. And if you subscribe our channel ORSE classes of English language, you will get all the new lectures first. Students, please like, share and comment if you have any problem, if you want to give encouragement so that we may improve. Now, thanks.